Transfer tenure of Central Vigilance Commission officers. सेंट्रल विजिलेंस कमीशन ने अपनी गाइडलाइंस में चेंजेस किए हैं रिलेटेड टू ट्रांसफ़र एंड पोस्टिंग ऑफ ऑफिशियल्स इन द विजिलेंस यूनिट्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. क्या रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया इन्होंने? रिस्ट्रिक्टिंग देयर टेन्योर टू 3 years इन वन प्लेस. अब उनका टेन्योर को रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर दिया है फॉर 3 years. ये टेन्योर 3 years से ज़्यादा तब हो सकता है जब कोई डिफरेंट प्लेस ऑफ पोस्टिंग हो. दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट्स लैब ऑन व्हील्स प्रोग्राम. मनीष सिसोदिया जो कि दिल्ली एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर हैं, उन्होंने इनॉग्रेट किया है दिल्ली टेक्नोलॉजिकल यूनिवर्सिटी का लैब ऑन व्हील्स प्रोग्राम. लैब ऑन व्हील्स प्रोग्राम. ओके. दिस प्रोग्राम विल एम्पावर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी टू ट्रैवर्स दिल्ली to encourage government school students and oppressed kids. INS Sarvekshak. INS Sarvekshak is on a development to Mauritius for undertaking joint hydrographic surveys along with their Mauritian counterparts. The ship visited Port Louis, Mauritius and began the hydrographic review of the remote ocean region of Port Louis. India H2 Alliance. The global energy and industrial majors have joined together to form the India H2 Alliance. The plan to frame the collusion was started by the Reliance Businesses and Chart Industries. The India H2 Alliance IH2A essentially centers around commercializing hydrogen advancements. It will run after boosting the hydrogen economy and supply chain in India. RBI on prepaid payment instruments. हमारे इंडिया के रिजर्व बैंक ने रिसेंटली 3 मेन चेंजेस किए हैं अपने प्रीपेड पेमेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स में. The constraint of exceptional equilibrium in PPIs is to be expanded from the current degree of ₹1 lakh to ₹2 lakhs. The membership to RBI operated centralized payment systems NEFT and RTGS are to be opened to non-banks, for example, the central bank managed installment framework administrators. प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना ग्रामीण PMAYG. The Ministry of Rural Development recently announced that under the PMAYG, 92% target has been achieved in the first phase of the scheme. Climate Change Platform by World Bank and IMF. The International Monetary Fund and the World Bank have launched a platform to prompt the poor nations on financing for preservation and environment exercises. Both the financial organizations will utilize the platform to factor climate change to factor environment change into arrangements about paying off past commitments and weights of poor nations. New Chairman and Managing Director of SIDBI, S. Raman, has been designated as the new Chairman and Managing Director of Small Industries and Development Bank of India, SIDBI, by the Government of India. The appointment is for 3 years. RBI's Consumer Confidence Index. The Reserve Bank of India released the report of the Consumer Confidence Survey. The Consumer Confidence Index reduced from 55.5 points in January 2021 to 53.1 points in March 2021.